2025 marketing strategy. What's yours? Talk to MTDCNC, Outstanding Productions, industry experts. Manufacturing news as it happens, viewed by millions of engineers. We know you want to grow your audience, and we know how to help you do exactly that. We've proven on many occasions that by working on a social media strategy with MTDCNC, that we can deliver growth on your platforms. We are here to help you reach audiences that you struggle to. Launching in 2025, our new channels are designed to promote your products in region-specific languages, and our roster of multilingual presenters is ever increasing. With MTDCNC, the global manufacturing industry just got that little bit closer. We've listened and we know data is key. What good is a promotion if you don't know who engaged? With our analytics, you can know who watched what, where, and when they're likely to buy. Our reporting suite is best in class. Thank you to all of our customers and followers for your support in 2024. Let's bring on 2025.